In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split expenses in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing personal finances or handling business accounts, knowing how to allocate expenses correctly is an invaluable skill. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. To begin, open your Zoho Books account and locate the Expenses module. Once you're there, you have two options to start entering an expense. You can either click on the plus new button to create a fresh expense entry, or, if you're keen on categorizing an existing transaction, go to the Bank Feeds section. There, find an unassigned transaction and select the Categorize option. Moving on to the Expense Creation screen, you'll notice the Expense Account drop-down. However, for splitting expenses, our focus will shift slightly lower to a button called Itemize. Clicking on Itemize allows you to break down the total expense into detailed components. This feature is especially useful if a single transaction covers multiple expense categories. Next, let's select your first expense account. Use the drop-down menu to pick the right account, then enter the appropriate amount that should be allocated to it. Don't forget, you have the option to add a detailed description for this line item. Descriptions can really help you keep track of what each part of the expense relates to, providing clarity when you, or even a team member, review these entries later. Once that's done, it's time to add more items if your expense needs to be divided further. For this, you'll click on the plus Add Another Line button. This action creates a new entry field where you can choose another expense account and continue the process as before. Feel free to enter the amount and add any relevant descriptions. Keep in mind, it's important to make sure the total of all these line items matches the amount of your original expense. It's all about ensuring accuracy, so take a moment to double-check your numbers. This verification helps in maintaining error-free financial records, avoiding discrepancies that might cause confusion down the line. Finally, once you're satisfied that everything adds up perfectly and all descriptions are in place, click on the Save button. This action completes your expense entry, splitting it accurately across the specified accounts. And there you have it, a clear and concise approach to splitting expenses in Zoho Books. With this method, you can better organize your financial entries, gain deeper insights into your spending, and maintain pristine records. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find managing your expenses a tad easier now with Zoho Books.